Hello everyone, today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. I am really excited to be back after doing the foil sale last week. We are headed in to a big old new release. We have 3 kits this week, a foil bundle, some new foil releases, which we haven't had new foil releases in a while, but we actually have quite a few new foil releases coming up over the next couple of weeks. We have the color of the week as well as the 10 new Doodles. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start first with the Doodles. The first one here is the 10 new Doodles. So we have 401 through 410. So this one has Sour Patch Kids and some gummy bears. So you have like candy. This one is pizza and chips. There's candles, some little Instagram phones. Then you have some face masks, sheet masks, Switch, YouTube on the TV, sweatpants and sweatshirts, Peeps and Peep Bunnies, and then also cruise ships, which was a request. Then let's go into the color of the week. This week is a really pretty like warm pink color, and they're just the normal sheets, and these are available from Wednesday at noon Eastern when new releases go live until Monday at around noon. So if you want to get them, that is the time to do so. They won't be coming back, and we have all 7 sheets here of that colorway. Then let's get into the new foil releases. So I do have some birthday quote boxes. So here is the first one, and this is in gold. So it says, "Happy birthday, my love. On this day, a queen was born. Let's party and make a wish." And then it comes in all 4 foils, 4 core foils. And then I also do have a really exciting new release, and this is all thanks to Jess, Kidness Jess, for bugging me for this for probably about like 2 years now. I finally caved, and she has been requesting tall box overlays. So I did sneak this on Instagram. So these are the full boxes, like the fam I made myself for my birth week spread. I just had a baby, and I put the tall box overlay on here. This is the Celestial over that, and that is on the second design. I'm probably gonna have these both in the same listing to make it easy, but they are just like a variety pack versus ordering like separate individual sheets of each. So I'll show you in silver because it's easiest to see, but these will come in all 5 foils. So not only does it come in gold, silver, rose, and hollow, it also comes in sparkly hollow. So these are tall box overlays. So you have the light confetti, the chunky confetti, the new diamond, I think I'm calling it sparkle, and then also the twinkle is on this sheet. And again, in all 5 foils. So you also have that one in sparkly hollow. And then also in all 5 foils, this is like the more specialty ones. So you do have the Celestial, the hearts, the stars, and then also the Park Hopper. So that also comes on the sheet here. This is like the variety number 2. And again, that comes in all 5 foils. So really excited about that. And here it is in action. Super easy, very fun. And then let's go into the foil bundle for this week. So this week is a gold hollow foil bundle. You can add on the a la carte matte sampler for Wednesday at noon Eastern through Monday at noon Eastern. And also this will be on a discount for that time as well. And this is in, like I said, gold hollow, and this is the Celestial format, and I love this. I think it's so, so pretty. So you have the normal 6 boxes and the glitter header overlays, 2 sheets of those, 2 sheets of the bougie, a sheet of the scripts and the icons, as well as the bottom washi overlay, fancy headers, deco, and date numbers. So that is the foil bundle for the week, and I think this is going to go with so many kits because it really reminds me, like Celestial with like gold hollow, like it just reminds me of the moon. So I love that. So that is the foil bundle for this week. And again, special pricing in the matte sampler is available from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Monday at noon Eastern. And then let's go into the kits. This week I do have 3 exclusive arts. 2 of them are past mysteries, and then 1 is a new exclusive art. So we'll show you the new exclusive art first, and this is for Avery's birthday. Avery's birthday normally falls on the week of Valentine's, so I don't think we've done like a custom birthday kit for Avery. We usually just do some like custom boxes for a kit that Kirsten likes, but this year, since it fell on a different week, Kirsten wanted to do something special for Avery's birthday, and I love this theme. I think it's so cute, and I think it'll work for a lot of different people, which is awesome. So this is called Level Up, and it is like a gamer birthday kit in a pastel rainbow colorway. So we do have the other gamer kit, which is very like neon and not birthday specifically themed, but this one here is just a like pastel birthday themed gamer, and I just love it. It reminds me of Bennett as well as Avery. So you have lots of different game references in here. My favorite being like the Mario and Luigi. I love the little Lucky Charms and the Doritos, the controllers, the cake, super cute fashion options in here. There's also fam options. The Switch all wrapped up, a cake pop rocks, little cookies, Mountain Dew. I could go for Mountain Dew right now. Like oddly, I really want a Mountain Dew. And then you have a faux fun pastel sparkle throughout printed. Then on the extra boxes here, you do have some gifts as well as some more Mario cupcakes, some gummy bears, some rock candy, and more Doritos, as well as a little game over sign. And I just think this colorway is so cute and will lend itself to a lot of different foil colors. I think a really fun one, in my opinion, well, first off, Lavender Hollow would be really gorgeous with this. Lavender Hollow, Hollow, Sparkly Hollow. If you did like the Celestial with the ones that like the Starry Hollow, oof. That'd be beautiful. I did actually pick up some stuff from Plana Hannah to use with this kit. So I did pick up the Chris underlays in Hollow, and then also the Heart one, because it kind of looks like a is it like 8-bit? Is that what it's called? I don't know. Heart. Anyways, I don't want to, I'm just not that knowledgeable, but I think it'd be really, really cute. And I either I'm going to do Hollow, Sparkly Hollow, or do a mixed metal of Hollow and Lavender Hollow together. I think that that'd be really, really epic. So here is the deco page, glitter headers. Oh gosh, it's so beautiful. Half boxes, solid, patterned, bottom washi, extra box there. Be perfect for a quote box, birthday ones, lots of them. And then the extra in both the mini and the ultimate is a like double box scene that says Level Up, which I think would be really cute underneath the double box scene in an extender. So that is the ultimate kit for Level Up. All of the kits this week do come in ultimate and mini, and they all have the same freebie. So this is the ultimate. It also does come in a mini kit version. There's a 15mm strip if you want to add it on with a really pretty like marbling rainbow throughout. There is the label sampler if you want to add it on. There is a label sampler too that has the green in a pattern and a solid, which I think would be cool if you want to extend the rainbow. And then there is also the fam options. So you have the normal 6 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is Level Up. So dang cute. Cannot wait to use it in February. Let me know if you have someone special in your life that you think that that'd be perfect for down in the comments below. Moving on to more birthday, we do have Celestial Surrey, which was last year's January mystery, and it was probably like one of the fan favorite January mysteries ever, and it's gorgeous. I used it for Brian's birthday last year. I do have a plan with me up on my channel using it, and I believe that whenever it came in the mystery, it came with was it mixed metal, champagne lights, and sparkly hollow? We do have something coming up very, very soon if you want to get the same. Well, you can get that bundle. I believe it's still in shop, but there's something new coming that I think would look really, really cool with this. So stay tuned for that. But this is the kit. I didn't really change too much on this or the next kit or a lot of the mysteries that are reformatted because I love the way that they're laid out, and I wasn't really like trying to change too much about it. And then the freebie is the Popular Icons freebie in the colors of the kit. So yeah, I didn't change too much in this kit. I think it's pretty beautiful the way it is. I actually did this past weekend, I think 6 reformats and 2 monthlies and all kinds of stuff. So I'm on a roll, feeling back to my normal self. Your mini kit, there's 15mm strip if you want to add on. There is the label sampler if you want to add it on. And then there is also fashion options if you want to add those on as well. And last but certainly not least, we do have last year's February mystery, which was a neutral, modern home, moving, home improvement, spring cleaning, decluttering, all of the above kit. Again, didn't change too much because I love the way this looks. I did use this for the week that I moved, but I think this would be really cute for a moving week, like I said, or like a spring cleaning, decluttering, you're working on a project in the house. Love these colors. I think that now that I am like very hooked on matte bronze, I think that this one with matte bronze would be like so good. I don't think I used matte bronze. I think I might have used silver. I'm not totally sure. And then you have the extra box here. You have the bottom washi, and then the same freebie as the last one with the popular doodles in the color of the kit. I think I'm going to be bringing back most, if not all, 2021. My years are getting messed up. 2021 mysteries, so stay tuned for those. 15 millimeter label sampler and fashion options as well. So that's everything for this week. I also do currently have, and they will be available for new releases as well. Foil albums are on sale for $5. So if you want to pick up any of those, if you're reorganizing your collection or you need a couple of backups, now is the time to do so. Yeah, and also mystery. I don't know if it's next week, next Monday, mystery spots will be available. I don't remember. I don't know if I'll remember to remind you next week, but reminding you this week. And I'm trying to think what February is. Honestly, we have till August done, and I start to get a little bit confused as to what's going on, but very excited. Have a lot of really cool things coming, a lot of really cool foil things coming, really cool foil bundles. Some new a la carte sheets. Like I said, I haven't done any of those in quite a while. Getting back in the swing of things. I hope that y'all like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye!